Hey everyone, this is Julie. We're at a house here in Cattle Mills. I'm going to turn you around and show you that we're going to put some shutters on this window here. So here's the window that we're going to put shutters on. Okay, there it is. That's so pretty. So we did this house last week. As you can see, you watch my video, you'll see that we did this one. And then the neighbors liked them so much, and we ended up doing this one. Okay, now we're at a house here in Forney, Texas. Let me turn you around here. Hi everyone, it's me again. We're at a house here in Forney now. Randy's getting everything ready. Let me turn you around. So this is the house that we're going to be doing. Randy's over there getting everything ready. We're going to put those shutters up. It's the same color as the ones that we just did in Cattle Mills right before this video. So this is the before, and I'll show you the after. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all, here it is.